Hi. Welcome back to my channel. Shout out to the following: Dong Fang, El Prisco, Baya TV channel. For more videos on t-shirt printing, please visit our playlist and our other playlists: YouTube tips, travel vlog, skincare, sorry, military news update, makeup tutorials, film or video editing tutorials, cooking and salads, basic accounting tutorials. After burning, or exposing our design, wash the screen front and back. This will make the photo emulsion to soften and get ready for the use of pressure washer. I used pressure washer to remove the unwanted photo emulsion and to reveal our design. Then, expose again our design to make it dry and firm. I also used hair blower or dryer to hasten the drying process. Use it front and back at a safe distance to avoid causing damage to your mesh and your design. If it is daytime, you can use the sunlight to dry your screen and design. Then, tape the inside four corners, including the registration marks. This is a test print before the printing to our t-shirt. And I think the output of our test print is good to go. Let us apply a single stroke, then apply the heat gun. Let us apply the procedure for 3 times. This is our final output. Then, let us use the heat press to make our design firm and glossy. Let us set our timer by 160 degrees Celsius for 10 seconds. That is all for now, and please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.